Hello coders, welcome back to my channel Lazy Coder. Today we will see AI bookstore or e-commerce website. Currently you are looking at the home page of application and it is fully responsive. If I minimize my browser, you can see that books are adjusted according to mobile views. It also have the AI chatbot. Suppose if you have any query related to books, you can ask this chatbot. So if I click on this button and ask questions like show me coding books, okay, so it will reply you. You can see that I found two matches for coding because I have added two books like Python and Java for coding. So it is showing me, right? Okay, so if you have any questions related to books, you can ask this chatbot. It also have the features for voice search. So customer do not have to type the books, okay, and search it. So suppose if I click on this button and say Harry Potter, you can see that when I say Harry Potter, it is showing me books, right? And if I click on any books, suppose if I click Java books, so and scroll down here, you can see that AI is showing me the similar books like Python, okay. And if I click on, because Python and Java both are related, right? And if I click on quantum physics, it will show you that something books related to the physics only, okay. It is not showing me other books. And it have features like if we go to the customer dashboard, okay, based on your previous orders and search history, it will show you books, right? Okay, and I have prepared the documentation also. So I have the project reports like functional scopes, technical scopes, all I have prepared. Okay, and before proceeding to the features, let's go to my channel Lazy Coder. Here you can see that I have uploaded multiple projects like AI powered hospital management, okay, AI attendance system, so hotel management system. There are multiple projects. You can check this out on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel so that it will motivate me to create more projects. And one more thing I want to say that 95% of you just watch my video but not subscribing it, so please support my channel so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. So let's deep dive into my project. Okay, so this is the home page of our application that we have already seen. Like here is the category of the books. If we click on the science, it will show you the science book. If I click on programming, it will show you programming books. Likewise, on based on the category, it will show you the books. Okay, you can search any books. Like if I search any physics book, okay, PHYSICS, okay, physics book, it is showing you books, right? So search by typing or the voice, both is working. And we have already seen the chat bots. Like if I click on the hi, it will reply you, okay. It's saying that hey, I am here to help you to find the perfect read, okay. And so this is the home page, and there is a register button. If you see here, so customer can just click here and register themselves, okay. And customer can buy the book. Suppose if I want to buy the books like Java books I want to buy, okay, so let's click on the buy button, and we can select any quantity based on the available. So if I click here like quantity as one, and we have already seen this like AI similar books. So AI based on the book that you have selected, it will show you similar books. So let's click on the add to cart, okay. When you click on add to cart, it's showing, right? So unit price, total price, it is showing you. So if you click on the proceed to checkout, it will ask you first to log in. So before buying, you must have to log in or create the account. So I have already created this account, so I am logging in. So let's click on sign in, and it redirected you that payment page. So I am just a dummy, it's just a dummy page. So I can just give any names like let's say Mohan, okay, and click on the pay now button. Okay, you can see that order placed successfully, order ID is 8. Okay, so go to the view my orders. You can see that Java book we have recently bought, right? And it was bought already also the Python books. So it goes to that my orders. So let's click on the home button. It's showing you all the books. Okay, if we go to the cart, now cart is blank. Why? Because we have already bought that item. So if we go to the my account, so based on your previous orders and search history, our AI thinks you will love these books, right? Because we have already searched Harry Potter, so it's showing you here also. Okay, if we go to the home card and say, let's say suppose physics book I want to search, right? PHYSICS. Okay, let's click okay, so PHYSICS. Okay, so now you can see that two books came, right? So now we have searched physics, and let's go to the my account. Now you can see that both physics books are now coming here. Okay, why? Because we have just searched it. So based on search data also, it is showing you some books. Okay, so this is about the AI book recommendation. And if we click on the my orders, so all the details will be shown here. And this is about the customer. So now log out from the customer account and log in as admin. That let's check out that what functionality is there for the admin also. So let's log in. Admin account I have created. So let's click on the admin. Now you can see that beautiful dashboard is showing here, like total revenue, total orders. Okay, and this is the graph where all the sales trends are showing here. This is the books by category. Okay, if we click on the manage books, means admin can have the capability to add new books. So if we click on the add new books, suppose you then have to select the category. Okay, all the titles, author, ISBN, description, okay, price, stock, image of that book, and this one is the important, like AI tags. So based on your books, you can describe something by separating through comma. So suppose if your book is programming, so you just have to write like coding, or maybe programming, something like related to coding, so, right? So you can write some tags, so based on that it will show you some similar features. Okay, so this is about the and admin can also edit it, right? Edit any books. Suppose if I want to Python change the name, so Python. Okay, so let's click on it. You can see that names got changed, and admin can also delete the books. Okay, same for the categories. So admin can add the category, edit it, or delete it. Admin can see the orders. Okay, admin can also delete the orders. Okay, and admin can manage the customers. Okay, so these are the functionality for the admin also. Okay, so you can check this out on my channel. And let's log out from here. Okay, first let's see more features, like if admin admin delete orders. Okay, go there, orders, let's click on delete. Mohan, yes, delete orders. So we have deleted the Python orders, right? So let's log out and log in as a customer also. And now go to the your my account and orders. You can see that that Java books has gone, right? But now it is coming here. Why? Because we have not ordered it, but you have already searched for it, right? So that's why it's showing. When we will place the order again, it will be gone from here. It will not recommend you here. Why? Because you have already bought it, right? So let's click on here, like it becomes out of stock. Why? Because someone has already bought it. So let's go to there and buy Harry Potter here right now. Okay, so let's click on proceed to checkout and fill these details. Okay, let's click on pay now. Okay, now again go to the here. Now you can see that Harry Potter is not showing here, right? Okay, so these are the features based on the AI recommendation. Okay, and it also have the chatbots. Search icon is there. You can search by voice icons, search by category, and it is fully responsive. So these are the features about this AI book store. You can please subscribe to my channel so that it will really motivate me and to create more projects. Yeah, thank you.